Doing the process was very fun. It was calming, relaxing, and I think it helped me show the more possibilities there are to do things like this on a piece of art.
It reminded me of those paintings that did like the scraping, like you just put a bunch and you just scrape it. It's really cool. I like doing it.
No, it's totally fun. Honestly, I really enjoyed watching the students do their work and explore and get frustrated and then also like go aha, you know, like just experimenting with a different thing.
So I'd say the most fun part was just learning how the material kind of works, you know.
Being open to new processes, and understanding how things relate to the past.
Well, I enjoyed a lot of things, like, well, overall in general, I really enjoyed it, like making this, adding layers, but mostly I enjoyed adding trees.